Hi guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 minus 6 parenthesis 6 minus 9. So firstly we can know about PEMDAS, where P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Student, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So firstly we can solve parentheses. So 6 minus 6 into 6 minus 9, which is equal to minus 3. So in next step 6 minus minus plus 6 3s are 18. So 18 plus 6, which is equal to 24. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment and kindly subscribe my channel for more videos.